Hi everyone, my name is Vidhi and welcome to my YouTube channel D.I.Y with Vidhi. In today's video, I'm going to draw or paint something in wall. This will be my first time to do this and I hope you guys will like this video, and if you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So without any further ado, let's get started this video.
About the moments we spent, I just want you to be happy. When someone tries to touch your scars, it doesn't seem to cure at all. Nothing's gonna be any better. I'll love you every day. Let's take a walk. Please don't guarantee your joy. Nothing's wrong with crying every day. It's just sort of a thing in the world. I'll say you're the best to me. Please don't guarantee your joy. Nothing's wrong with crying every day. It's just sort of a thing in the world. I'll say you're the best moment. Be any matter. I love you every day. Let's take a walk. Please don't guarantee your joy. Nothing's wrong with crying every day. It's just sort of a thing in the world. I'll say you're the best to me. Please don't guarantee your joy. Nothing's wrong with crying every day. It's just sort of a thing in the world. I'll say you're the best moment. 난 생각해봐야 내가 힘들 때 내 곁에서 날 지켜줬잖아. 이제는
like this video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Bye, take care of yourself.
I'll give you free hugs every day.